Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Hakimi, and my other group member is Ahmad Furqan, Muiz, and Muhammad Alif Aiman. Okay, so for the introduction, product design consists in imagining and creating objects meant for mass production. Designing a new product goes through an analytical process and relies on a problem-solving approach to improve the life quality of the user and their interaction with the environment. It is about problem solving, about visualizing the needs of the user and bringing a solution. Product design has many fields of application, such as medical device, tableware, jewelry, sports, furniture, and etc. It takes into consideration also the production cost, the manufacturing processes, regulations, and as well as the functionalities products should possess. Okay, next. Why chemical product design is important? Chemical product design can be seen as the operational and concrete task of converting consumer needs and new technologies into new chemical products. Second, to illustrate process analysis with example of chemical products. For the third one, an holistic approach to design and development of new chemical products. Next, to express and characterize the quality of the product from the customer perspective. And for the last one, to provide a more efficient and faster design of chemical products that capable to meet market demand.
Okay, the next one, I will proceed with the procedure proposed by the authors for designing a chemical product. In order to design a chemical product, number one is broadening of the body knowledge associated with the discipline. Second, adoption of a multifaceted approach to products and processes. And then emergence of chemical product engineering, need for moving the design of chemical product. More systematic approaches have to be adopted in order to guarantee competitiveness. And then determination of unit operations and also transport phenomena, identify chemical product engineering, chemical product pyramid, and then integration of the chemical product and process design. The next one is chemical product design can be seen as the operational and concrete task of converting consumer needs and new technologies into new chemical products, and this is corresponds to the chemical products engineering discipline. And then the next one is designing a new chemical product, which is LD embodiment of property, LD process, LD usage, function, LD chemical product pyramid, and also LD process design. And then a chemical product, which is LD multifunctional products, LD products, LD engineered product, LD disposed system, LD chemical based consumer product, and also LD formulated products. And then for categories, we have specialty chemicals, formulated products, bio-based concepts, devices, virtual chemical products, and also technology-based consumer good. And then number 13 is for mechanical, electrical, computer, and biomedical engineering. So we need to identify of needs, generation of the product idea, selection of the most promising product idea, and then development of a process to manufacture the desired product. The next one is a product design workplace, and the last one is a technology push strategies.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Furqan Pimpozi and I will present about the limitation in implementing the procedures. So actually there is many limitations that involve while performing the procedures. One of them is the limitation while of development of tools to convert problem representation spaces from customer needs to technical specification. It means that when a new chemical product is being developed, a conversion of customer requirement is needed before it can be specified into a product and in a manufacturing process. Hence, a translation of information between different spaces of representation is necessary. Thus, this is a difficult and interesting problem for multi-piece and metastable systems with developed microstructures such as foams, colloids, and gels, which are of particular importance in chemical products. Secondly, the limitation development of modeling and optimization approaches for chemical product design. The development of models and optimization formulation for manufacturing process is important to chemical engineers. So, background knowledge available by a chemical engineer in this field need to be adapted and extended in order to address chemical product design, the integration of chemical product and process design. Thirdly, the limitation development of predictive capabilities for physical properties. There is a serious gap between current thermodynamic modeling capabilities to describe commodity chemicals and the understanding of more complex chemical products such as formulated products. Thus, a thermodynamic that promising research area in the context of chemical product engineering is applied. And lastly, the limitation on development of systematic approaches supporting chemical product design. It means that the chemical process industry has been releasing a successful chemical product for a long time, but some traditional product has been developed through costly and time-consuming try and error design procedures. So, the development of a systematic and integrated framework based on identified tools, methodologies, workflow, and data flow for the interrelated activities involved in the design of new product has been recognized as one of the limitation challenges in this procedure. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And as for conclusion, the articles conclude that systematic design of chemical product is need for each company to deal with demands and market. This systematic design help each company to deal with the demanding markets that is overflow in the company. Secondly, science and art are being used when creating new chemical product based on definition of chemical product engineering. Chemical product engineering insists that science and art are being used when creating new chemical product. This is due to the demanding market of the company. A structure for organizing the emerging area are proposed and demanding market should be handled smoothly. If these three are there in the company, so the demanding market can only be handled smoothly and softly like a crystal clear. Systematic design of chemical product, science and art are being used, and a structure for organizing the emerging area. The fourth conclusion is chemical product design and chemical product engineering are not seen as similar action. In the article, the author only mention about these two things, the chemical product design and chemical product engineering. So when people keeps on reading the same text, they are thinking that these two definition are similar but not. Chemical product engineering has broader field of view, incorporating the range of knowledge, tool, and approach to get the best chemical product being used. By science and art, the product that is being used and that is production of the product is gonna be high and more in profit. Okay. Thank you.